Hi, I'm Dale, and I'm here to show you how well Asphalt Repair Mix works in the wet. Rapid Asphalt Repair Mix is a product that facilitates rapid repair and return to service and lengthens the time between surface replacements. Before we start, make sure you have all the correct personal protective equipment for the worksite, including safety boots, gloves, long sleeve shirt and pants, an appropriate mask, plus whatever else your site manager requires. To mix and apply Rapid Asphalt Repair Mix, you will need a trowel, the broom, potable water, and at least 2 20-litre buckets, a mixing paddle, and drill. To a 20-litre bucket, add 2.6 litres of water. Begin mixing with mechanical powered paddle while adding the asphalt repair mix. Mix for a minimum of 1 to 3 minutes, adding an additional 400 ml of water if required. Pour asphalt repair mix into the pothole. Spread as required to ensure full coverage of area. Finish with trowel or roller. There's no curing required for this product under normal conditions. If it's hot, just mist with water. Monitor pothole repair, open to traffic within 30 minutes to 2 hours from the placement. Antoun, making life better for communities.